me down. You never put up a fight, you never make a sound. It's like I've been awakened, everywhere to break in. It's the risk I'm taking. I'm never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your rays. Baby, I can see your halo, and don't feel your halo. Halo, I can see your halo. Halo, I can see your halo. Halo, I can see your halo, and don't feel your halo. Halo, I can see your halo. Halo, I can see your halo. Halo, I can see your halo, and don't feel good. Sitting, baby, you love me, now baby, I'm sure. And I just can't wait till the day where you knock on my door. Oh, now I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, and don't it feel good? Hello, hello. I can see hello. I can see hello. I can see
Glam Club is not about competition, and it's not about shiny trophies. It's about something deeper than that, realizing your potential. Even by its very definition, glam is about opening yourself up to joy.
That's why this teacher, her name is Lucy, says to recreate the Glam Club and bring it back to its former glory. She started Glam Club editions and found some pretty good dance.
Rachel is a huge fan, but you can sing. Mercedes is an amazing girl who's so gorgeous to come on stage and sing her head of her heart and make your ears fall in love with the music. She also has problems with anger management, but hey, so does Naomi Campbell? Huh?
Tina is a gothic Asian vampire with light stutter. Artina wants to become a dancer, but likes to lose. Exactly. Then there is Fran, the singing playing foodle phenomenon. The only student in this group that likes eating broccoli.
Queen, the head cheerleader and person who decided as well. And last but not least, Queen's friends, Tana and Brittany. Also cheerleaders who joined the club to make me. All the kids here.
And all the others that don't really have any character or development are here, so it looks like our club has more members. Thank you, team. Let's see what you need on Glam!
Okay, everyone, calm down. Welcome to Glam class. Hope you had a wonderful summer and everyone is ready for schoolwork. Today at Glam class, we're gonna talk about your favorite...
Food, color, subject, summer song,
ice cream? Well, no, about your favorite musical.
Yes, wonderful.
We will rock you.
Not again.
Hey guys, I remember a good one. What about the Breakfast Club?
Huh? Don't you forget about me. That's so old. Hey, but it's cool.
Yeah, it's still a classic.
Yes, if you're a dinosaur.
Okay, what about...
Come on.
So the students wanted to do something special, and one fairy tale come to mind. Peter Pan. The next is a scene from the Now story. One day entered Tomorrowland. Enjoy!
Now everybody try. 1, 2, 3. We can fly! We can fly! We can fly! This won't do. What's the matter with you? All it takes is faith and trust. Oh, and something I forgot. Dust.
Dust? Dust?
Yup. Just a little bit of pixie dust. Now, think of the happiest thing. It's the same as having wings.
Let's all try. Just once Look, we're rising off the wall. Jim and me. Oh my! We can fly.
You can fly.
We can fly.
Come on, everybody. Here we go. Off to Neverland.
Oh, I'm flying. We are all flying. According to my knowledge and all the logic, I would say we are all believe in fairy tales. Exactly.
In Neverland, nobody grows old. Nobody tells you what you should or shouldn't do. And,
Not even when you should go to the bath?
of course not.
Awesome!
But James, don't get too excited. You know we should get early to bed to be fit in the morning.
Aww.
We are here.
Beautiful.
The pirates. Let us land for a bit here. I see they're after something.
They really do exist. Arr.
Dark ride, turn out the lights, we're gonna lose our minds tonight. What's the dealio? I love we talk too much, right there empty the radio up. Where's the rock and roll? Party crasher, penny snatcher. Call me up if you're a gangster. Don't be fancy, just get dancy. Why so serious? Sorry's the best if you are wrong. In all the right ways, all my underdogs. We will not be happy anything but now. And really dirty little freaks. Won't you come and raise your glass? Just come and raise your glass. Sad, oh how damn, what the fuck you understand? Wish you just freak out. Can't stop coming hot, I should love that right in the spot. It's so on right now. Body crasher, penny snatcher. Call me up if you are gangster. Don't be fancy, just get dancing. Why so serious? Sorry's your last if you are wrong. In all the right ways, all my underdogs. We would not be happy anything but loud. Really dirty little freaks. Won't you come and raise your glass? Just come and raise your glass. Won't you come and raise your glass? Just come and raise your glass.
So the pirates scared our heroes from Neverland. But they didn't scare our students. They're already plucking up a new story. Let's see. Peter kind of scrappy. We need something with way more power.
Okay, sure, that was nice, but that was never my favorite fairy tale.
Which one then?
Good question.
It's time for the second fairy tale. Mercedes came up with Snow. The story about a lovely girl who just wants to be happy. But she has an enemy, the queen, who wants to be the fairest of them all.
I'm beautiful. Don't you think I'm beautiful? And I'm wicked. No one is more beautiful and wicked than I am. Bring me the mirror.
Of course, my dear queen.
I can walk alone, thank you.
Oh, sorry, mister. I'm so cool because I can walk.
Here we go, my queen. Splendid. You can go now. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all?
You're
quite enough to hear this from me twice a day.
What I like to hear that I'm the fairest woman in the kingdom.
What is it you need so much reassurance? You don't need a magic mirror. You need a therapist.
What I don't need is your advice. Now answer my question. Say one of those witty poems you do, like roses are red, violets are blue. The fairest in the kingdom is one and only you. Or...
Okay. Roses are red, violets are blue. The fairest in the kingdom is someone else, not you.
Mirror, what's wrong with you?
Nothing, Queen. I just had to scratch my nose.
You don't have a nose, Mirror.
Right, well, that's quite a good observation of yours.
So that's how we all started. You know the story, right? The queen wants to hear everything pretty much the same. The mirror says what she needs to hear, and everybody's playing along. Glad to sleep.
Oh, and Mirror, who's the fairest of them all?
Well, you are, my queen.
Excellent. You sure know how to flatter a woman, I think. Oh, and Mirror, who's the fairest of them all?
The fairest is, well...
The fairest is...
Snow White.
Fantasy, caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy, 'cause I'm easy come, easy go. Little high, little low, anywhere the wind blows doesn't really matter to me, Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head. Pull my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life has just begun, but now I'm gonna throw it all away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, as if nothing really matters. Tonight, my time has come. Send shivers down my spine. Body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth. Mama, I don't wanna die. I sometimes wish I'd never be born alone. I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, free to the fandango. Thunder and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Galileo, only because the poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, standing aside from this monstrosity.
do you want me to take Snow White into the woods and do what you asked me of right now?
Yes, right now. And to make double sure you do not fail, bring back her heart. In this.
Okay, goodbye, my queen.
Okay, so she actually went with him in the woods. That's quite awkward, don't you think? I mean, he could be the killer. Anyways, it's time for a new act and therefore a new story. What will the students present this time? Let's find out.
Hello there. What's the matter? Where's your mom and papa? Why, I believe you're lost. Oh, please don't cry. Come on, prick up. Won't you smile for me? That's better. Your mom and papa can't be far. There they are. Can you fly? Goodbye. Goodbye.
Well, that was a bit better.
I'm tired. Yes, I need a nap. Plus, don't you guys think we could use some more help?
I'm glad you mentioned this, Artina. I didn't want to mention it before, but I have a secret weapon for us.
It's a bazooka, right?
Well, no. Guys, this is Emma.
So,
Hi, guys.
So, you came here to stay today?
Yes, right, like a real supergirl.
I'd say little girl, but that's no superhero.
Oh, ladies, please calm down and let's hear what Emma has to say.
I saw the musical show before and I think magic is great.
Yeah, if you like rainbows and unicorns.
But guys, that was not her magic.
Exactly. The real magic is Harry Potter. Oh no, the real magic and wonderful musical is this one. This story is about different. It's called Wizard School. Lexi, Jackie, and Jojo are students whose parents are wizards and they are attending a special school to master their arts. But there is a principal who always gives in the troubles. Will they be up to the test?
Where do you think you're going, young ladies?
I'm sorry, Mrs. Kowalski, I'm a bit late and I hope my mom.
I'm sick of your excuses. Who is this?
This is our cousin Jojo, Mrs. Kowalski.
Are you ready for tonight, Jackie?
Yes, we are going to Big Bear Junior High. I just come out of training.
Good to hear. Now, go straight to classroom, and I'm going to you, madam, after classes.
But Mrs. Okay.
Jojo, say by the bell, 15 minutes too early.
Oh, awesome.
You know we can't use magic at school.
Who says?
Mom and Dad.
Well, they aren't here, are they?
Whoa. Look, there's Jessica.
Hi, guys.
Oh, Jackie, you're late again. What was this time?
Training?
Homework?
We have a game tonight, so training.
Cool.
Together, come on, let's have some fun. Together.
Do you want to know what it is? Yes! Then stay tuned because we're going to be right back.
Sometimes in life, horrible and unexplainable things happen. Form a line across the room, quickly! Expecting you're wondering what I'm talking about. I don't know how, I don't know when, I don't know why, but someone left Choki without my permission yesterday. So did you know that it's illegal to leave the Choki without my permission?
Yes, Madam Principal.
Sir.
Principal T, I was the one who took Tilda out of the choke.
I broke your arm once before. I can do it again, Jenny.
I'm not 7 years old anymore, and Perella.
Shut your holes. You will be put away in a place where not even the crows can let their droppings on you.
Look, the chalk.
Perella, this is Magnus. Give my little bumblebee her house and her money. Then get out of town. If you don't, I will get you. I will get you like you got me. That is a promise.
Vacation, or vacation forever.
I love my school, it isn't fair. Miss Jenny, please don't let him take me.
Shut up. Get in the car, Melinda.
It's Tilda.
Whatever.
Well, Miss Jenny doesn't want you. Why would you want some snotty, disobedient kid?
Because she's a spectacular, wonderful child, and I love her.
Adopt me, Miss Jenny. You can adopt me. Dad, I have the adoption papers. All you have to do is
Shut up. I can think. Wait, you said adoption papers? Who's got a pen? Thank you. Ciao.
If you only knew
how good they become. Miss Jenny was made for the principal of the school, and children never wanted to leave. Tilda found her a great surprise that life would be fun.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. This was truly amazing. But was it enough for us to win the competition?
Right, the competition.
In case you didn't know, Glam Club is practicing like crazy for national choir competition. Their main competitor is Vocal Adrenaline. They're the best, most awesome, actually the greatest choir.
Whoa! We will beat Vocal Adrenaline.
Hey guys, calm down.
But
Mrs. Fister, we need to take an artistic break.
I have football practice. How can I think about football right now? All she thinks about is football anyway. And what if we continue tomorrow? I can hardly breathe. I can feel my legs anymore.
I never thought I'd say this, but what if this is our homework?
You're right, it's been a long day and you've been all very artistic and hardworking. Let's go home and rest. Plus, your homework is to come up with a song that will make us kick Vocal Adrenaline's, well...
dishes!
Exactly.
And I sit myself down, sit myself down, rock and roll. Then I will drag you on down, I will show the path we take. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, rock and roll. Sit down, rock and sit down, sit down, sit down, rock and roll. Sit down, rock and sit down, sit down, sit down, rock and roll. Sit down.
Whoa, they really are good.
We will never win with our musical.
Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good rest and you all feel very fresh and excited for today.
With your sister, we've been talking.
And thinking.
And we were just like to say, although we've been working all day yesterday, it didn't come up with a song.
I had a dream last night about the best song ever that we could perform.
Really? Which one?
I forgot. I can't remember.
Sorry.
I've been thinking, we only did musical numbers, right? What if we expand on it? Yes. I did research, musical, and that is not enough to win. Okay, what if we come up with some new great pop song? Yeah, stuff people know and like to sing too. But what if we choose a song what we do not want everyone? Oh, come on. I'm sure if we had read performance, everybody was singing clap.
I agree with Queen. I really remember all Michael Jackson concerts. Nobody was singing. Everybody was dancing and singing.
I love to dance.
Me too. If only we were good at it.
Oh, come on guys, I'm sure you will come up with some great ideas. Plus, I was thinking all night last night and I have a suggestion. I know, you want to know, right?
Yes!
Let me give you a hint. Stand up. You
Don't you agree?
So Black Cloud won. So sorry audience, we're going from the party and we have to leave. Come on guys, let's go.